Soon, waiting they happen.
Nakana cheese kwa Lagos at some penthouse. That is the problem. Nigeria bene une besina o. If any man no bodo na bamanya milio. All over the country people them are suffering. All over Nigeria people them are dying no. Anya na waka kaina wada. These people who they see us like mumu. Na me I be na you. Waiting we need in a God do intervention. Nigeria person now, brother sister person now, mama papa person now. MSC Ogadima, Papa God yo. Na beg you with the beg yo. Nigeria person now, Nigeria best now, brother sister best now, mama papa best now, MSC Papa God na best me dey best yo, Nigeria best now.
In fact, I'm not enjoying here now what I'm passing through. This is my business center. Look at you can see for yourself now what is going on here. You can just look around the whole compound. See what is going on here.
But are you trying to say that the work where they do here?
It's a bad job. Yes. It's a bad job. Yes. This month they block out the door with the deep here in Orange 20 feet. The door with the deep in Orange 20 feet. The boat where the water is supposed to go, they block out.
Since I did for this place, I never see water that people ask. Now where they call doing now, the Yoko Opu Road. Now so water that people ask here. Government should come and do something concerning this road. It's very bad. I'm very disappointed in them. I know something they do here.
They do a very good job here because formerly there's a moat by the Epe Foundation there, and that moat have been blocked. The hole they dug here is not enough to carry the water because they're supposed to also channel that moat down to that Epe Foundation area. So the contractor that is handling this very project need to be called upon to come and do the work the way it's supposed to be. The problem is not from the state governor, but it's as a result of the contractor.
Everywhere now, close everywhere. See what they do. Now be one government the war. Baby, government may come. Now drainage we want. We need drainage for this our area. We need drainage. See what they do.
Okay, when they were doing this road, I personally told them that this project is a failed project. They came here, ITV and other sister stations came to this place on several occasions. I told them that this project is not going to work. Now they ran away, causing more problem. I told them the houses that water has not been entering before, that people will soon come out and shouting, we no go agree, and that is exactly what has happened now. Everybody in this area, landlord and tenant, everybody is homeless now. We were inside the water, dragging people out from the other side of the road, the other side of this the bridge now, or the river. We were dragging people out from the water. There's disaster, there's problem in this area.
My brother, this our area, this area Jaguar here by the Sharp Bay, we are in trouble. The government should come all the way from Ubeku Primary School. They directed all the flood to our area here. More than 50 buildings now. We don't know where we are going to sleep today. The government should please come and help us. There is a moat here behind you now as you are standing. They should come and carry this water to that moat. That moat is a normal moat, very deep. They did not transfer the water there. Now what do? We are in trouble. The government should come and help us now. They should come and help us. Oh. Look at the whole street.
It's not the cost of. It's not the cost of. The last time I came, I discussed something about this issue that this gutter, the trench they did at Iridawa, it will not work because there is no way you will dig gutter at the end of the day you now do it as a circle to the moat. I think if they use it to, they just maybe buy some houses close to that where they do that cattle. Then the gutter will just go straight to the moat. But this one they have to do it and at the end of the day bend it to the moat. There's no way that water can go to the moat. So when my daddy was saying that maybe we have a moat here, there's no way the flood here can be directed to the moat except maybe the gutter. Everything is be directed to the moat. Straight.
Where my body? All my property now here water is me. Now one man just now he enters the water. Go back, carry me come out. I wanted me the water just kill me so that made them losing yes. Water just kill one person for you. Look at me now, all my money, everything as I did now, I not get 1 naira for pocket. Oh God. Oh Lord, what am I doing now? What am I doing?
Sister, sympathize with you. What happen now?
I dey inside house, I dey sleep. Me no know say water don't enter my room. I dey on top of bed, dey swim water. See motor wey they do now, but now you don't enter my room. So everywhere, the house don't full reach my window. Gonna do something, my things don't spoil. My things, everything, my wardrobe, I just enter inside, I go see everywhere don't spoil.
As you can see now, this Osareme Evaron, full of flood. Last 2 months, last 3 months, NDC they said they do it. The moat, if you see, look down now, it filled up with flood. All the whole house filled with flood entered all the whole house. So no road. You can see yourself now.
Which area this so?
I bet with the Cocoa Street and this road, so with the appreciate the government help us. Honestly, we really appreciate their work, but not be waiting we expect. May they do for us, not be waiting we call the gates now. We dey inside since they pack many things out to make sure say some people go still see cloth to wear. Now let that one now be waiting some people still carry come out. Houses and many things really spoil am. Landlord and landladies, I think the one where they work now, they hear say water enter their house now, they not go feel happy. I beg Governor Obaseki, Lao, Baba, don't be my fan. Because na age now, I'm made up by now. Now only one day rain, not just fall. So
we are taking this as a joke. Suddenly, it cover all our houses. More than 15 houses in this quarter. The Sobadek have come to drive us away from this quarter. When Sobadek never come do this type of work, we never experienced this type of rain for more than 20-something years. With the experience rain enter or it come on with bay. This one we cannot bay, and everybody to evacuate from their own personal compound. If you enter my house, now this is my house here, you cannot get where to enter. Nothing. And this apart, one lady gave me this apart to tie. Everything, nothing to wear.
This is Sarime Street. This is Okobo Lane. And the other one there is this off road there you see Ridawa and all the adjoining streets. When the government came to rescue us, we were very happy. We were all happy. We thought that the coming is going to rescue us. If you see the gravity of this erosion now, it was not like this before. They leak all the water to this area without giving the water a proper place to stay. As it just they didn't even try to through the moat. The moat is very close to this place, very, very close. They said they are digging a water basin or what they call it. And they dig that in and they just put a little sand to protect the water. And you know water would definitely find its level. I tell you, these houses everywhere closed down. We did not remove anything. Look at the clothes, look at my cars, everything there spoiled. Please, we are begging the government. Please, we beg you in the name of God. Come and help us. We don't have money to rush and go and get a new house. Even to rent an apartment is money. And this period, everywhere is closed. We beg the government, please help us. At least they said they are going to dig 2 water basins there. And they are going to channel it to the moat. At least just drill the moat a little bit. They didn't do any of this. We were very happy when they came. But now look at us, everyone here, we are all homeless. The place, this before you don't see water here. But now there's water everywhere. So we beg the government. I don't even know what to say, but just to beg, no house to sleep, everybody is homeless.
Waiting they happen.
Well, it's happy to at least see that it's work in progress. And like we all know, the rains have increased over the years. Last year, the rains we had were not as much as the rains we've had this year. Last year, we promised them. Last year, you couldn't come here at all. The houses were all sunk. We marked out, compensations were paid. And the truth about engineering is that you want to look at the best case scenario. We didn't want an outcry. We don't want people to build houses and then demolishing is not the first thing. That is the mantra of our governor Nogregase Obaseki. It's not what he decides to do first. So what he said to us, let's look at a way that we can move the water out from here. That is why we build these retention ponds. We all know what a retention pond is. The drainage system is at the bottom. But with the debris, the dirt coming from Dumes, coming from all over, also blocks it. But what we've realized this time is that these 3 retention ponds are not enough. So the next phase to do, and we're happy that the people are agreeing that we should go ahead and demolish the houses on the moat. Yes. It's nice for us to be able to hear from them. Yes. We do not want an outcry where people will now say, oh, we demolished houses, they are suffering and things. Since it is the people telling our governor that this is what we want him to do, this is what we are going to report back to him. And we assure you that it is His Excellency's dream to make sure that Erediawa becomes livable for you. It's a lot of money, and you know that. And you know that before, with the kind of rains that is falling now, nobody could even park on this road. When we came here last year, there was water everywhere. It's work in progress, and I can assure you that my ministry will make sure before the ends of these rains, the houses on the moat will be gone, and you will see that the drainage, the water systems will be fantastic. Your car will come out, ES house will be okay, everybody will be okay.
Waiting they happen.
We're gonna get water.
Government, I want make una come to my head oh. Make una come see wetin dey go on for back of NTA by NTA. Back of NTA by NTA. Since when I reach this house, when I build this house, I not buy the house or I build am. I more block by myself, I build the house. Since when I build this house, I can't dey used to that custom where people say I dey clear around my fence. I get person where they clear around my fence. I know they pass here because this place, as it be so, they say people they go hide for there. They rob there. So because of that, me not they pass here. It was last year now I pass here. When I pass and I run, pass. And that time, this kind of thing, you know, they here. So this 2 times a year, 3 times a year, now they come. Take Lebra, I go say make they clear around my fence because I don't want, because of this chucking barbed wire, make a grass they full on. So that day now, I can't come. I can't give person money where they do it for me. Say they can't do it. That was 3 weeks ago. Then he can't help me do it. When he can't do it finish, he can't enter inside compound and say he can't collect money. Now he can't begin to tell me, say, Mama, make you go back of your fence. So I don't even see where clear. They don't take dirty food there. Now I say, which kind dirty? He say, make I come pass on. Make I see. When I come here, now I start to cry.
But don't get me no sooner. But don't get me no sooner.
You want me government to do now?
I want me government. May they come even out of the moat. Now so if you person tell me yesterday say see one man where they drive the pass, it's the way 2 Ghana must go for inside this
drainage.
inside this village where if you see now e full. See all this place now. See as e full. See all this place as e full. Na Douglas na dey say the whole of this community that they give am money wey dey come take throw away the dirty there. No be only Douglas. All the whole house wey dey here. If you want to this church wey dey here so all of them na here na dey throw away dirty. One day I was forced to climb up for here. I climb up when I dey see them when I dey come throw away dirty early in the morning. In the evening at 7 o'clock they go come dey throw away dirty for here. I want the coronavirus this one pass coronavirus mosquito everything e pay me for NTA wey e be say na their first me with the guys come up battle together. See am go read the ending now. Just follow me go read the ending for TV road make you see as e be wey NTA no respond to me wey e come be say na ITV na I go bring. The way it come to say they come the video and so. The very day when we first come for the first time, now they come to tell me say, now we just see two people just come out for inside bush here. Now so we be one wrong. We be one wrong. Now they say make we not run say na plantain leaf. Now they come cut. I think when I see my fence so, see my fence, see NTA fence.
Sunu waiting dey happen.
You don't get water.
Watogemi no sunu. Watogemi no sunu.
Yeah. Watogemi no sunu. Ever walare o. Watogemi no sunu. Adolare o. Watogemi no sunu. Yeah. Watogemi no sunu.
Watogemi no sunu. Watogemi no sunu.
Yeah. Watogemi no sunu. Ever walare o. Watogemi no sunu. Adolare o. Watogemi no sunu. Yeah. Watogemi no sunu.
Watogemi no sunu. Watogemi no sunu.
Yeah. Watogemi no sunu. Ever walare o. Watogemi no sunu. Adolare o. Watogemi no sunu. Yeah. Watogemi no sunu.
Watogemi no sunu. Watogemi no sunu.
Yeah. Watogemi no sunu. Ever walare o. Watogemi no sunu. Adolare o. Watogemi no sunu. Yeah. Watogemi no sunu.
Sunu waiting dey happen.
You don't get water.
It be the solution to our problem for this country. Some Nigerians don't they talk now say, make we beg Baba God, make we pray to Baba God, make he touch our leader heart. Some Nigerians don't they talk say, now me and you, now they the problem of this country. They talk say na the politicians. Some Nigerians they talk say na the leaders. Some Nigerians they talk say na the youth. Why some Nigerians don't they talk say make we not they complain again?
Also know
wetin dey happen.
Everything I dey know, everything, my dear, nothing clean for this country.
Nothing clean.
Nothing, Allah. Look, this our country. It go take God's divine intervention. Now the simple truth. God, this one way with the trust leader, this and that, this one go bring change, the other one go bring the other change. Oh, now boo yeah. God's divine intervention now go solve our problem for this country. Promises upon promises, which are they don't fulfill. Light, wait, you see light? If not be borehole for this our country, who they see water again? If not be borehole, who they see water? Generator now we tell they get light.
Listen, the solution for the problem of this country, all these politicians, all this anybody where don't pass 70, let the junior one who have the energy and power to rule. All these big people now from 70 they go there. It's a second round. They are not them. whether they cross to PDP or whether they cross to APC or not, the same group of politicians. As election they come now, the next thing you go see now, they are now going to shift to another party where they are fighting for their own self-interest. No.
The bull. Yes, the bull. Let me tell you so. You get voters card, I get voters card. If they give you 5,000, you reject them, I reject them. The chairman said that this man you want vote for, and you don't say that man not good. If not this man ain't good, you go vote for the man. Leave the one they give you 5,000 for.
Nigeria, my country.
Okay, you get PVC. Why I not get PVC? Now that one be the bullet. See my own for here. Let me show you.
Okay, you show me PVC.
What thing will make me not get PVC? You dey here. Sure. You dey. See my PVC.
Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Yes.
Confirm. Them say you don't ready for the election.
I don't ready. This not the only bullet we will get. So now the power, now we will get.
So this political party went to now.
All of the way they make noise. So now this one, now be the cane where we want to flog them.
If I give you like 30K, you go give me this card.
This 1K, 20K. How? See, even this one say, you don't know how much they take they do them. The time, not be said you pay puto. The time where you go spend, go there for road, there for a primary school, go stand for line, come up for house early in the morning, buy fuel where you take go there. 20K, what you don't want to? What you don't want to do?
No amount of money go fit buy this.
Impossible. 20,000 with me and want you to. What about my children? What about my family? What about the other people waiting for the other side of the road? How they want to come out?
Now we to talk to say no need for citizens of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to sell their PVC.
Impossible. Why would they do that? Anybody will do that one. It is maybe na government na in the punish. Na himself na in the punish too.
And his children.
And his children na in the punish too. In community na in the punish too. In village na in the punish too. In city na in the punish. In state na in the punish. We must find a way to help, like you say government no fit dey everywhere. The only place where we fit take contribute help government now when we dey take our choice properly, the one we go benefit all of us and benefit government to benefit our unborn children. Now be this thing so.
PVC. You get permanent voters card PVC?
I can tell you authoritatively that I have. It's not. I have it here.
You get PVC.
So I have the PVC. That is my weapon. So even if they like, they make them bring soldier, make them bring anybody. But I will vote. And my vote will count.
Soon, waiting they happen.
You know the guy water. There is no light.
I check my blood pressure. Because the way I take the waka from area to area, location to location. Until wait I check so. My blood pressure. You can't know whether it's too high or it's too low. Hey! Can't check the way the thing they read though. Hey! What's new? Igbo man go say Ogini name me. I felt talk. Say this my waka go they shout, they talk. I need to check myself. No fear, they check my blood pressure. So, what is the result? What will be the result?
High way.
My blood pressure high way. No, not be joking, the joke, sha.
Nah, joke. It's good.
It's good, eh? Yeah. No, we dey on national television, no. As you talk now, people feel fear. So the thing, they normal.
They normal. I want to check your sugar level. This one you know they faint so.
Because I don't talk and say all these yama sweet things when they take. Hope not be HIV test you do so.
No, not HIV.
You want to check my sugar level now?
Soon, waiting they happen.
You know the guy water. There is no light.